What's going on YouTube? Today I have a Valorant how to thumbnail tutorial just like KAEMI. I think it's KAEMI or KAEMI? I don't know how to say it. I'm very sorry if I butcher that. His thumbnails look very simple to make and very easy to set up on a video. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that right here. First off, I want you guys to go ahead and if you guys have a video editor app, make sure you guys use like at least Adobe After Effects or something with Premiere or Sony Vegas, because you're gonna be taking a screenshot inside your guys' video editing software, so we can get that clean motion blur kind of thing. We can also do it if we just take a screenshot from the game and just go into Photoshop from there, but don't feel like doing that right now. Kind of want to show you guys how exactly how you guys can make this thumbnail. And yeah, right now I'm in Valorant. I know my Valorant's in Spanish. I just have it in Spanish, okay? But first off, you guys can do it inside a game if you guys have a recording of. I'm just gonna do it from a practice tool, and I think not a practice tool, but I'm actually gonna get into a game and then show. All right, guys, I'm in Valorant. Basically just kind of pull out your guys' gun or something like that. I see that KAEMI is kind of like, he's like in an area that's very empty, or maybe he's killing somebody and he just has the gun spraying. To make anything easier, I recommend turning off the HUD if you just guys go to the settings. Alright, so once I have like the recording of my gun getting sprayed, I'm basically gonna import this into my video editing software. Alright guys, so since we're in you guys' video editing software, right now I'm using Premiere. I'm just gonna take the clip of me spraying my weapon and just in the middle of nowhere try to get like a good angle. This is the certain part of the clip I'm trying to get, so just gonna get a good angle that I want to screenshot. This usually takes a while though. Okay, it looks fire. I'm taking a screenshot of this, so I went ahead and just took a snippet of this, and then now we're gonna go into Photoshop. So lately I've been looking at my channel lately, and I've seen a lot of you guys enjoy most of my graphic design videos. The recent video I posted, it was how to make a League of Legends thumbnail, and I didn't expect the video to get 100 views, other than the other two videos I posted of me just returning back to YouTube and a video that I made on Alpha Studio. And I went on my channel, a little older videos I made, and I see that the videos do almost 500 views, 700 views, almost 1,000. So I really appreciate for you guys watching my older videos. And if you're a new subscriber, or someone just came up to the video, or if I just came in to recommend it, make sure to subscribe, because it really means a lot. And if you guys want to see any more YouTube videos on anything about thumbnail creating, anything about banners, or anything in Photoshop, make sure to just leave it down in the comment down below, and make sure to leave a like too. Let's get back to the video. So now I know we got all of this HUD stuff, for those people that didn't know how to turn off the HUD, or just didn't want to feel like turning off the HUD, you guys can stop here and watch the video. If you guys already turned off the HUD, you guys turn off like all the settings, and like anything that's in game, you guys can skip this part. You can skip it a minute. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna try to figure it out today though. So I usually like to use a healing spot brush right here. And you can usually just like brush all this right here, make it disappear. Alright, it's fine if you guys can see some of the small parts of the spot healing brush. I know we didn't do a perfect job. I'm just doing this just for the example of the video. Basically, if you guys did a bad job, that's perfectly fine. I know we have some spots over here, but the thing is, in the thumbnail that he has, you can see that he has like a motion blur kind of thing in the background. I'm be showing how to do that here in the video. Pretty easy. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn up the brightness in the photo, kind of glow up the gun, make the gun pop out a little bit more, and we'll add some text. So what I usually like to do is I'll go to the brightness, turn up some of the brightness, turn down the contrast a little bit, just a tiny bit, like around 10. We'll turn up the brightness about 20. Now we're gonna turn up the vibrance, make the colors pop out a little bit more. So we're gonna turn up the vibrance like around 9+, and then turn the saturation down just about 3. Some of the colors can come out a little bit more. Now since we have that, we're gonna go open up create a new layer, and then we're gonna open up our brush tool, and then we're gonna define the color that's in that gun. You know, we're gonna go with that very light, like that really bright blue, and it's gonna put a spot there, a spot here, a spot there, maybe a spot here, and then we're gonna change this to soft light. You know, bring the gun a little, come out more, and I'm gonna turn down the opacity just a little bit because you can still see the brush around 91%, 90% or something like that. And now, since we have that, we're gonna go ahead and add that motion blur you guys see in the video. Before actually we do that, I kind of left something out on this video. We're gonna go ahead and go back to the first layer that we have our image of the screenshot, and then we're gonna go do a little polygon lasso tool, and I'm just gonna click on the points around. We're gonna mask out our gun basically because we want to keep the image, we don't want to distort it with the blur, and we don't want to kind of leave it out the photo or anything. We kind of want to keep the photo just with it, so you guys don't have to get the particles or anything. You just gotta kind of do your best masking the weapon and your guys' hand. Alright, so now since we masked out the weapon, we're gonna go in the very bottom layer, the screenshot layer, and we're gonna go over here to filter. We're gonna go to blur, go to filter, go to blur, go to radial blur, and then we're gonna do best quality, and then we're gonna change the amount. Fix. It's okay. Boom, you guys, since you guys have that down, you guys can go ahead and just add your guys' text. I'm just gonna put some random text, you know, don't really know what the video is about, but alright, since I got the text, I just made a very simple text. I just put Valorant KAEMI thumbnail because that's the name of the video, and I went ahead and put drop shadow. I just went and changed the color black drop shadow to a blue drop shadow, and now if you guys ever seen the videos, he adds a text like somebody said something in all chat, like something about Jet or like Instalock Jet or like Trash Jet or whatever, you know, like stuff like that. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. You guys gonna go to the shape tool and just make a very long rectangle. You can add some text in it, just like this. And then I'm gonna change the fill to black, so we're gonna change the opacity down, and then change the opacity down to like a very visible black, and you can still be able to see the background. And then I changed it to the opacity to 50%. And then now I'm gonna change this, resize it so I can fit some text in it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some text, make a new layer, add text. I'm just gonna do the regular quotation. Boom, just did that, add some text. You guys can add you guys' like some black drop shadow to, you know, actually make the text pop out a little bit more. And then boom, there you guys have it. That's how you guys make a KAEMI Valorant thumbnail. If you guys have any suggestions or anything that you guys need help on, make sure to leave it down, comment down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This thumbnails are very easy to make, and if you guys have any other YouTubers you guys want me to make a YouTube video tutorial on, make sure to just leave it down in the comments. And subscribe if you guys are new. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And it's been your boy Devin Deteki, and I'm out. Peace.